Hands-on photos of an alleged Galaxy Note 20 Ultra third-party case has been leaked. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra's design appears to have been partly exposed by a series of hands-on photos depicting a third-party protective case from various angles. The photos shared by Ice Universe on Weibo seem to confirm that the Galaxy Note 20 series S Pen will indeed be relocated to the left side of the phone and that the back panel will accommodate a triple camera combo. Interestingly enough, the case appears to cover most of the camera bump instead of having a large rectangular cutout around it. The bump doesn't seem to be as prominent as it is on the Galaxy S20 series, particularly the Galaxy S20 Ultra, either. Moving on, the top of the case has a small cutout for a microphone, while the bottom edge has cutouts for the speaker, the USB-C port, a microphone, and the aforementioned S Pen. At the same time, the physical buttons have been moved back to the right edge of the phone. On the most part, the case at hand seems to corroborate most of the design details that were revealed by a handful of unofficial renders a few weeks ago, with the main difference lying in the size of the camera bump itself and the location of other secondary modules like the LED flash. Mind you, there is a chance that the case at hand may have been developed based on earlier prototypes, so there's no absolute guarantee that the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra or its protective cases will end up looking exactly like this. In another leaks, Galaxy Note 20 Ultra reconfirmed to carry a 108-megapixel camera on the back. This feature has now been unofficially confirmed by Erquant on Twitter, who has an excellent track record when it comes to revealing unannounced devices and/or upcoming features. Although we were all aware of the possibility that the top-tier Galaxy Note 20 model will employ a 108-megapixel sensor, the source now claims that he's seen hard evidence of its existence. It remains unclear whether this particular 108-megapixel sensor for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will be the same ISOCELL Bright HM1 found on the back of the Galaxy S20 Ultra or an updated version like the rumored ISOCELL Bright HM2. Also, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5G gets TENA certified with dual batteries and also its support page goes live. The support page doesn't include any specs of the Galaxy Z Flip 5G, but the smartphone has been certified by TENA, which clears its way for launch in China. The Galaxy Z Flip 5G will have a total of 6 model numbers, and the one that's bagged TENA certification sports model code SMF7070. The listing on Chinese certifying authorities' website reveals the Galaxy Z Flip 5G will sport a 1.05 secondary screen and pack 2 batteries 2500 mAh and 704 mAh, as opposed to the 3300 mAh cell the 4G variant shipped with. A separate listing on TENA with full specs of the Galaxy Z Flip 5G isn't viewable yet, but popular Chinese tipster Digital Chat Station has shared the specs, which include a Snapdragon 865 Plus and 6.7 primary AMOLED display of 2636 by 1080 pixel resolution. The secondary screen on the Galaxy Z Flip 5G will be smaller than the 4G variants, but it will have the same resolution 300 by 112 pixels. Besides, the selfie camera is upgraded from 10 megapixel to 12 megapixel, and the dual camera setup now includes one 12 megapixel and one 10 megapixel unit. The weight, dimensions, and charging speed of the